BOTANISK was developed to be produced by hand, by people, and therefore we really had to be mindful of the fact that these are skilled craftspeople that we're working with and that their input is super valid. So when we went to the factories, we had ideas of what we wanted to make, but when we were there, we found that they had techniques we'd never seen, ideas for what the products should look like, and input that was really, really brilliant.
All these women being artisans and working with the banana fiber here in India, that they all own this company together. They are producing the products themselves, they're checking all the quality, they know everything that it takes to make a good product, and at the same time they also co-own it together. That's really women empowerment.